Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about LeetCode problem number 3. That problem basically based on the longest substring without repeating the character. In this problem, we need to find the longest substring that having no repeating character. That means they having no duplicate is considered inside the substring. So first of all, we let's start how to solve the problem. What is our approach? Then we go to the coding section. So the problem is basically given one string and we need to find the longest substring without a repeating character. The output is 3. How the output comes 3? First of all, I explain you, then I explain you what concept we are going to use here. You see what are the possible substrings are there. A, B, C. Again, A is repeated, so we not consider. So what is the length of ABC is 3. Then move forward. If A is removable, then B, C and A. Again B is repeating, B is comes. So what is the length? 3. We move next. C, A, B. That are the possible substring. The length is 3. But the again C is repeated. So B, C, A, B, C. Basically the length is 3. But you can see here, now B is repeated. So only C and B length is 2. And the last one B. Then the here length is only 1. Then you can see the maximum length only the 3. Here is the 3, here is the 3, here is the 3. So the 3 is the maximum length. I hope you understand clearly how the length is 3 comes. Now we are moving to the how to solve this problem. In this problem, we use two-pointer approach and also we use linked list because linked list for storing the characters and the two-pointer for moving the each element of the each character of the string. So in the two-pointer, we use one left variable and one right variable, both having start with the same point. Okay, left and the right. We take this one as an example. This one is the example. Our left I denoted from the L and for the right I denoted for the R. Both are at the same position, but we move R up to wind and left only the starting position. If the repeating character we found inside the R, then only we increase our left value, or else we not increase our left value. Okay. And the after increasing the how to we are going to store, we use list. That list, if the not consider not duplicate value, then only we move next and we add the element inside the list and directly we return the list size. That size is basically the unique character of the substring. So I hope you understand what I told in the problem. And now we have to move forward for the coding section. So let's start our coding section. So first of all, I initialize left. As I told you, we use two pointer and right, both having the 0 and the maximum value that having also the 0 for comparison the max and storing the value of max. And then here we are use one list. That list will the only characters. And as I told you, we only right character is moved from initial to last index of the string. Okay. And how the values are stored in the list? First of all, we check if the list is not contained that value, then only we are storing. So not list contains. What right is the current value? So we check with the right value, only the current value. So caret of right. If right is not contained, then only the add inside the list. And increase, if one time you added, you increase the right value. And now here you can directly compare. For comparison, we use not use ifs, we directly use math at maximum because we have only two values. So we use here math.maximum, maximum and the list size. And else section, if the duplicate comes, we need to remove the duplicates. So here I write for the removing the duplicates. For character, I use character. Okay. Remove and increase. If the duplicate we found, we remove it and move it to the forward. Here I told you, if I duplicate found, then only I move forward and remove the duplicate value from the list. So I remove and move forward. I remove, move forward, and I remove, move forward. And the last, we simply return our max value and we check it. After check it, once I explain all the coding, each line step by step, one little mistake. Now we can check it. I initialize here, not the start, I initialize left. Now the errors are solved inside the problems. Possible logic convention. Dot value of s dot cat get. Hmm. Now the problem is solved. We can see we have passed all the test cases. Here basically we remove the character, not only the left index. So we mention here the h dot character. Inside the string, we need to remove the left character. That means if duplicate we found, we remove. So basically this is used for removing the duplicate from the list, and this is adding the unique value inside the list and increasing and comparison with the list size and maximum value. Then we get our maximum inside the substring without repeating a character. Without repeating a character means no duplicates. So problem is solved, and we can see it our how much uh, time complexity we get. So thank you for watching.